G'day, I'm Josh from Picton Civil. I'm the workshop manager there. I've been with them for 11 years now. I look after the ongoing maintenance of all the equipment and also purchasing of new machinery. We're a small size civil earth moving company based in Bunbury. So the company's been here for 50 years, based in the southwest. We have about 60 operators out in the field daily. We run 50 excavators out of Picton. Currently, lately just changed over to Kobelco. The main reason being availability and the product support offered by Kobelco. We've got a couple of our long-time excavator operators currently running the machines. The one behind it, Mark's managed to put 1,500 hours on since delivery. He's absolutely wrapped with the machine, the comfort from an operator point of view, the performance of the machine and how smooth it is to operate. From the maintenance side myself, our guys are really happy. The serviceability is great, everything's easy to get to. The INDR is a great feature that it helps us out through the summer periods with dust and fines. And the overall construction of the machine, I think, is rather heavy compared to other makes and models. When you look at pin sizes, bosses, the reinforcement plates along the boom, I think the Kobelco's finishes the machine off nicely. So our latest purchase was the SK350 behind us. We purchased that specifically for this project, which is the Bunbury Outer Ring Road. It's a major construction job in the southwest, which has brought a lot of hype and a lot of activity to the town. We had a request for a machine. The relationship we had with Liftright, they were able to back us up and supply a machine in a real quick turnaround. That got our machine straight to site. It's been here since day one with the same operator. It hasn't left site. It's had 3 services, not a single drama. We couldn't have asked for much more. The operator, like I said previously, is one of our long-term operators. He's been with us 11 years, been driving excavators for 30 years. He's extremely happy with the machine, the hydraulics, the way it operates. We set this one up with the Topcon 3D GPS system. Basically everything out on this site is operating on the GPS. That's just increased the efficiency a huge amount, made everyone's life a lot easier. Less people on the ground. Kobelco just really complements the Topcon.
Hi, I'm Dean Bailey from Liftright Hire and Sales in Perth. I'm the area manager for the southern region of Western Australia. My background has been in earth moving for the last 12 years as an operator and user. I've previously operated the machinery. I have a lot of trust and faith in the products, and that's definitely helped me in my role to be able to sell the product with confidence and also provide solutions to our customers and clients. I've been looking after Picton Civil for the last couple of years, dealing with Josh and also the managers and directors of the company. I currently have an SK55 SRX-6, a SK225 SR-2 and the SK350 LC-10 behind us here, which is their most recent purchase. So when Josh came to us recently, they needed a machine pronto. There was an urgency for it to be supplied in a short period of time. We managed to have a machine in stock, got the build done, got it down to site. Since then, it's been trouble-free for them. It's done about 1,500 hours at the moment. Constantly using on this site on a daily basis. Josh was telling me before they haven't had to throw a spanner on it. It's only basically for the maintenance and the service intervals at 500 hours. And yeah, the operator feedback said the stability of the machine is fantastic, where other machines do rock around and not as stable as the Kobelco. Fuel efficiencies are second to none as well, and the breakout force on the machine as well. Very good performance on the machine when compared to other brands on the market in that class. Liftright Hire and Sales, based in Canning Vale in Perth, Western Australia, are the Kobelco dealers for Kobelco in WA, the whole of WA. Check us out on the website, www.liftright.com.au. With the amount of construction throughout WA at the moment, and especially down here in the southwest, down in Bunbury, there's many opportunities for Picton to move forward and strengthen that relationship with Liftright Hire and Sales and Kobelco. We look forward to working with Picton throughout the rest of 2022 and into the future.